In today's session, you have the Nifty, which is gaining about 2%. Sensex also gaining about 2% in the session. The broader markets, the mid-cap and the small-cap indices will come up for you on your screens in just a bit. And their performance this week, remember, it's been very, very stock-specific for those markets, so nothing to really write home about. In terms of individual gainers, starting off with the index heavyweights, let's pull up those stocks for the week as well. You have the auto index and the consumer durables, which have given a divergent performance. HUL is up 6.5%, M&M up about 8% to bring up some of the other key gainers for the week. And you have Sterlite, which has also gained about 9%. Some losers then in this week's trade. From the broader markets, Bajaj Finserv, Wockhardt are the key gainers. SBI and Randbacks the other ones which have lost out in this week's session. Bharti Airtel, of course, has been the key loser, 13% loss. Big downgrades coming in. SBI down about 6% as well. Funny, closing comments from you, and what would you make of the trade in the coming week?
Well, I think that going forward also what will work is differentiated stock picking. So one would like to stay with the winners of this week only, like the private sector banks and the likes of Bajaj Auto or a Power Grid, because that is where you see the maximum predictability and liquidity is going to chase those kind of spaces.
Ashwini, what could be the watchword for next week?
Well, I think the market momentum may be determined by whether S&P can move forward from 1400 or not, because there is nothing domestic about this rally, and in case S&P starts moving substantially away from 1400 on the upside, chances are that we may also take 5380, 5400 out. It may be for no reason, no apparent logic. But given that all global markets seem to be finding strong support for the upside, chances are that we will be more driven by what global markets do instead of what happens here. We have corrected quite a bit, so a lot of the overbought situation probably has corrected on the intraday charts, etc. And now market is compressed and is looking for a breakout. If we get some news flow from Delhi, that will only help. But I would look at S&P more than on any of the other factors to see where this market is heading.
Right, gentlemen, appreciate your time. Thank you for joining us on the show.